This is another special car, 2024 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake, one of 250 cars. So I'll show you why this is so special. So this has original 151 miles, and it's not just 5.5 liter V8. Normally it's a 480 horsepower, but then this one is tuned to 3 liter Whipple Supercharger, so it has 830 horsepower, 6-speed manual. It's automatic. This one is automatic. Yeah, I saw the automatic. It shows manual on the website, but then it's actually automatic. So this one is owned by NHRA's own Kenny Bernstein's car. It's his own car. He's a 6-time NHRA champion, the first man to reach 300 miles per hour. So it's got aluminum hood and carbon fiber extractors with a wide body fenders and then side rockers. Plus it's got the carbon fiber rear diffuser and 20-inch forged magnesium alloy wheels. Priced at $199,980. $199,980. So this is how the interior looks like. It's automatic, too bad. But then whoever doesn't know how to drive stick, maybe it's for you. It's got the Brembo brakes. It's not carbon fiber, but Brembo. Super Snake. Wow, can you imagine the sound of it? I cannot start the car, but then if you're willing to buy the car, you can hear it. Massive, right? Interior looks rather simple. Oh, it's got the large cluster. It's one of 250 cars. It's super rare. So although the price is pretty high, this car will appreciate. So let me know if you're interested.